Sunday. Atkins had 30 points and 7 assists in the win. Jump shot, Atkins off the mark. And it's rebounded by Cook for Duke.
Quinn Cook's really progressed nicely for Coach K this season. Really matured a lot as a player. Then that third option offensively, and when they thought it was going to be Suleiman here early on.
Suleiman coming off the bench for Duke. Parker off the mark from long range. So Atkins controlling it. They'll work the offense through Sherman, especially late in shot clocks when Grant used to be the go-to guy. Donovan gives up his dribble.
Then Coach K made an adjustment about 5 games ago when he put Thornton and Harrison into the starting lineup. A nice finish there for Notre Dame, and it really metamorphosed their defense. They have been pretty poor, giving up 75 points a game prior to that, only 60 in their last 5. And I think that's primarily why they're playing their best basketball of the season.
Zach August getting the roll for Notre Dame. We're tied at 2 minutes gone by in this first half. Hood gives it up. The jump shot goes. It's a 3. A senior from Washington, D.C. High energy, leadership abilities. A lot of big numbers that play a big role on this Duke squad.
Understands his role and just does a great job of not making negative plays when he's on the floor.
Jackson McDonald All-American. For Sherman. Foul call as Sherman made his move on the interior.
And you saw that last possession, or the first possession when Notre Dame had the turnover. You saw Sherman was out on the perimeter. That's not where he's at his best. And they're going to try to pound this smaller Duke team on the interior and make them guard for extended periods of the shot clock.
Foul on Hairston. Sherman seals off the inside as he beats Parker, rolling to the rim.
And again, Parker, in essence, playing this season out of position, not a post defender. You saw there, he bailed out by going for the steal, which allowed the layup.
Parker taking the baseline and a foul call.